tucked away in a welcoming spot in between Par and Fowey. This home sits in just over 5 acres of grounds, including a large pasture field. This home occupies the idyllic mix of countrywide seclusion and coastal convenience. It's a rare find to property like this where you marry land, views and location so effortlessly. Let's take a look round inside. Please get in contact with us, Fine & Country at the Mid Cornwall office on 01208 76000. Thank you.